Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we delve into the latest tools and innovations in the world of software development. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a real game changer for software engineers who use JetBrains IDEs, something called actionate, which integrates GitHub Actions directly into your development environment. So, first things first, let's talk about productivity. We all know how difficult it can be to switch back and forth between different tools, right? It can be a hassle, leading to some serious context switching fatigue. Actionate looks to eliminate this by housing everything you need in one place. Imagine being able to manage workflows, monitor builds, and even rerun failed jobs, all without leaving your JetBrains IDE. Sounds pretty efficient, huh? Let's break down some of the key features. One standout is that Actionate allows you to work with multiple GitHub accounts seamlessly. You can set a default account or even use specific accounts for different projects. This could really simplify things for developers who juggle numerous repositories or clients. You know, it's like having a personal assistant who remembers which account goes with which task. And speaking of tasks, have you ever found yourself knee-deep in workflow runs, wishing you could easily access the status of various builds? With Actionate, you can view both current and past workflow runs right from the IDE. So, no more digging through GitHub to find that one run from last week that you need to reference. Everything is at your fingertips, from job statuses to logs, even the annotations, which can sometimes provide that extra bit of context we always need. Now let's not forget about troubleshooting. Every developer's favorite activity, right? Well, Actionate covers that too. You can dive deep into the particulars of any workflow run, checking out logs and annotations, which may point out warnings or errors. It's like having a magnifying glass on your workflows. Plus, there's even an interactive log navigation feature that colors warnings and errors, making the whole process a bit more engaging. One of my favorite features has to be the ability to rerun jobs directly from the IDE. If a job fails, you don't have to start the whole process over. You can just rerun the failed jobs. You save time, and who doesn't want that? It's almost like having a retry button for your builds, and we could all use an easy way to get things back on track. And let's not forget the flexibility of manually triggering workflow runs. For those unexpected situations where you need to jumpstart a process, Actionate has you covered. You can initiate runs with just the right inputs right when you need them. No more waiting for scheduled jobs. To get started with Actionate, it's just a few simple steps. Install the plugin, add your GitHub account, and you're off to the races. And for those who run into any hiccups, Actionate is eager for user feedback, something I really appreciate in any software. If you've got ideas for enhancements or bugs to report, they encourage you to create an issue in their GitHub repository. So, to sum it all up, Actionate offers a powerful combination of productivity improvements by integrating GitHub Actions directly into JetBrains IDEs. From seamless account management to comprehensive workflow insights and troubleshooting capabilities, this plugin positions developers for a smoother, more efficient workflow. Now, before we wrap up, here's a question for you all to ponder. How much time do you think you'd save in your development process by using a tool like Actionate? Honestly, I'd love to hear your thoughts or even any experiences you've had with similar tools. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the tools shaping our tech landscape. Until next time, keep coding.